Hello guys, welcome to the second problem, micro CMS B1 CMS for content management system. So yeah, let's get started. So nothing complex, pretty much simple. Three anchor tag. Let's open the first anchor tag. It tells testing woo slash page slash one. If you try, you can also edit this page. It takes you to page slash edit slash one. um okay, and then if you go to this page, it takes you to page slash 2 here, if you can see. Okay, and you can also edit this page, and we also have a tag which lets you create a new page. Okay, interesting. Let's see the hints. And guys, I'm taking you to the hints so I can explain you, so because I think it's more efficient way to explain you how to approach this solution. So yeah, so for flag 0, it tells you to create a new page, how pages are indexed, look at the sequence of IDs. So let's try to create a new page called test description. Let's try to create it. Okay, go to the home page. So yeah, we have our new page here. But it takes us to page 8, like if you come here, this is page 1, this is page 2, and then this is page 8. So what's about the page 3 to page 7, like uh, there must be something, in between this page. So let's just try to explore them. Page 3 not found, so there is nothing here. Okay, page 4 again nothing. Page 5 says forbidden, that means there is something, but we are forbidden to to see this page. So how can we see what is in this page? So you might remember there was this page slash edit slash id, which takes us to the edit page of that particular site. So let's try to see if we can uh, edit it. And yeah, so we can edit that page, and it also has our flag. So yeah, pretty much simple. Second flag, make sure you tamper with every input, accesses, SQL, and path injection. So again, if you see here this URL, so what's happening in this system is like it's treating this URL, it's taking this input, and it's executing some SQL injection that will go to the database. It will try to read from there, or update something, or write something. So uh, in this SQL, so there are this like four characters, I will say, uh, which can crash your applications, because let me give you a simple PHP code with SQL injection. So in this PHP code, here it makes a connection to the database. Here it takes four inputs from the field from your HTML, and then it's try to execute this SQL. So let's say your first name is Jack, once, gender is male, address universe, and email is this. It will try to execute this SQL code. But let's say if you, instead of Jack, if you give a single apostrophe here, so this will crash your application, because your application will think that this two is your first name, like you have a blank first name, and then this is your last name, but there is nothing in between. It will just crash. So let's try to use this for character, and you see if we can find something. Like let's start with a semicolon. Can find something. Okay, nothing found. Let's try to put a single apostrophe, and then yeah, this caused an SQL injection, and here is your second flag. Flag 2, sometimes a given input will affect more than one bit. So it's talking about stored accesses. So whenever we give some input, and then it's stored somewhere, whenever we reach to that particular section, it will just get executed. So uh, how to fudge that? So let's go to the home page, and then you can create a new page. So if you see here, whenever you put in title here, or the description here in this box, this goes and gets stored here, right? It gets reflected here. So let's try to put our famous JavaScript payload, that is script alert uh, script, and again here let's put description here so we know where they're coming from. Let's try to create it. Let's go to the home page, and yeah, ta-da! This is our third flag, and that is how you can like get a third flag. And then flag 3 from script tracks are get, but what are the other options do you have? So it's telling like we can put in a script tag here, and then get the flag. Is there any other way, like besides using the script tag, how we can exploit this? So if you pay a little attention here, it is markdown, it's supported, but scripts are not. Also, if you remember, when we were in the page 2, there was this button. So that means, guys, we can add add a HTML tag here, which is not an script, and then exploit it. So let the title be test, and let's try to put a button here which on click will execute an alert. So button on click will create an alert. Yeah, like this is button here, and then so yeah, you have this button here, you have a pop-up here, but you can't see the flag here, right? So it's actually in the like the source page. Here in the source page, here is your flag, and that's it. That's how you'll find your last flag. And so guys, this is it for this video. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, take care.